What's up? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World. And good morning, people. Listen, we gave you a digital watch face earlier this morning, and right now we got to give you analog because we don't know if you're going to be hitting the town or if you're going to be dressing to impress. But if you are, we got you covered. Now these watch faces are by Broda. We got two watch faces to review in all. This particular one that we're going to review right now has 6 watch faces in all. People, I'm telling you, this one is nice. Broda always brings a unique watch face to the table. Now, the name of this watch face is called Broda Classic Analog. I'm liking the look. I love the design. I chose this particular watch face because it's my favorite out of all. Now, the design in the background is very unique, screams elegant all day long. The layout, the setup is on point. You get your date here. You get your battery info here in this dial. You get a nice analog minute hand and hour hand, as well as a beautiful second hand that's ticking around the bezel of the watch. But the index looks beautiful. Again, the whole watch screams premium, and it is interactive, people. So if I tap on the date, I can go ahead and I can set my favorites. Now, you get 5 in all with this one. To explain to you really quick, for the Gears 2, it's going to be slightly different because you're only going to get one. You have to look at the layout for that one. But if I tap in certain places on the watch face, I can set favorites. You get 5 in all, people. Count them up. 5 in all that you can set so far as favorites is concerned. So it makes this watch face super convenient, although it's a premium analog watch face, right? So, okay, we're not finished here, but just know this is my favorite. You get different colors you can change to. It's a few in all. So you get this color, which is nice. And we have a different watch face here. Now you have the same shortcuts and applications in this one as well. So the colors, and I like this design. It's basic, it's plain. This is definitely an everyday watch face. Changes the design a little bit as you go through. And let's go to the next one if we could get this thing to go. Now, this one here is a true analog. You got Roman numerals for your numbers. Again, you can customize the color of it, which is nice, depending on where you're going, your mood. Another nice looking one. The design is nice, basic. Another classic analog watch face look. The hand stays the same, as well as the minute hand as well. The date and everything will stay the same, but it's nice. Now this is a different look for your Roman numeral analog watch face. Again, depending on where you're going, how you're dressing, how you're feeling for that day. This one here, the design gets a little bit different. Again, the same look. You tap up here, of course. You get your shortcut to set your favorite application. But what do you think, people? Because I'm thinking my man Broda got down on this one. You get so many different watch faces and all. And yes, this one is nice. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this one. We're going to check out the next one, but you got to hit me in the comment section below and let me know your thoughts on this particular watch face. I would love to know what you think. Let's check out watch face number 2. Watch face number 2. Now, number 2, people, should have been number 1. This watch face is super, super, super boss. You're going to like this one, and it is affordable in the Gear Manager store. You got to check this one out for yourself. And you get more than one watch face in this one as well. I didn't know it, people. But listen, Broda dug deep into the design of this watch face, but let's go ahead, let's have a look at it. It's called Broda Classic Diver. Now, looking at the watch face, I'm telling you, the design is unique. It looks nice. It definitely stands out as a casual dress down watch face. And in the AOD mode, you're going to get a nice look for your AOD for the Gears 3 and the Gears 2. But they are going to differ from one another so far as design and color is concerned, but you will get what's most important, and that is the time. But taking a look at the watch face when it's on, because we got to go into this one, so be patient with me once again. The design is nice. I like the look and the uniqueness of the index and the color. I like the dark theme in the background. I like how it lights up kind of in the center, if you can see that. This is truly a great look. I like the hands as well. It has a glow effect to it, but you cannot tell from this video. So go to the Gear Manager store, have a look at this for yourself. Now you got 2 dials. At the top one, you're going to get your step status so far as your goal is concerned for what steps you have set for yourself. And down at the bottom, you will get your battery info so far as how much battery you got left. Now, if we look here, we got our date, and we also get the name of the watch face as well. Again, I'm liking the whole look of this. Right there, you are going to get your date, floors climb, heart rate, Also your steps. I haven't been anywhere still, so I don't have any steps to show you right now, but this is truly a good look, and it is interactive. So if I tap right here, I can get my step status info, go deeper into it to get more information about what I've done for my steps, calories burned, floors climbed, things of that nature. And listen, people, you get 6 favorites to set up. I don't know how you feel about favorites. If you love them, then you got 6 places where you can tap into and you can set whatever favorite you want to set. And you tap right here, you get another one. You also get another one there. You tap on, well, yes, you tap right here. You also get another one. And here, one more place. Right here, people. This is truly nice. He loaded it up for you. Now, you can customize the watch face a little bit more, and this is where it starts to get unique. Let's take a look at it, right? We're going to double tap right here, and you can change the theme of the dials that you have. Let's double tap, cycle through, see what he gives us. And they're not bad. It just changes it up a little bit. Let's leave it right there. And if I double tap on this side, I can change the whole thing of the watch face, people. This one is beautiful. Let's double tap again. We're going to cycle through all of them to give you an idea of what you're going to be in for when you download this watch face. Now the theme changed, as you can see it, and I like this one as well. This one is a nice look. So depending on what you're doing, here's another different look, people. Depending on what you're doing, you can set this watch face to whatever theme you want to. This is not a bad look. I'm going to show you this one here is one of my favorites right there. Now this is where if you're going to go out, you're going to hit the town, you're going to dress to impress. This might be the watch face to play for this weekend or for any weekend for that matter. Broda really put a lot into this, and I like it. So what do you think, people? What do you think of this watch face? Should this one have been #1, or should #1 stay #1? All right, hit me in the comment section down below, people. Enjoy your weekend. Be safe. Hit the like button if you enjoyed the video, and if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.